Hey everyone, I'm going to show you the bare bones of making a Pinewood Derby car. Alright, this is your block of wood you'll get. The bottom is the side with the two lines for the axles. This is the side. So I'm going to do a little basic car here. I'm going to cut that out. Don't forget your goggles. When you're ready to sand and make it smooth, you can use sandpaper, a sanding block, or you can use something like a rasp to get a little more power in your shaping. Just sand it smooth. I'm going to clamp it in so I can really use my rasp and shape it a little faster here. Got a nice smooth car now.